All right, good morning, guys. So, hope you all had a wonderful holiday. But I'm the only one here. The shop's completely empty. It's just me today after the holidays. So, yeah. Anyways, so I got this customer complaint as a check engine light, and the D light on the dash is flashing. So luckily, here's the wires, or here's the connector that the rodents chewed off, and luckily found a connector for that. So we're gonna solder a new connector onto that shift solenoid. But yeah, so it's underneath this airbox. So I just picked out the connector out of it. So I want to remove the battery so I can just remove this airbox and then see what's left underneath that harness. But yeah, anyways, let me just go ahead and remove that. All right, so airbox is out. Let me show you what's going on here. There's what's left of it. There's the harness. I got the connector here, right? Just long enough to solder a bit of it on there. Maybe should have gave it more length, but I'll see. I'll go look again and see if I can find an extra harness and with a longer set of wires. So yeah, I'm gonna try and use this one first, right? Because it's the same wire color as the connector on the car. There's the one that's being chewed off, right? So if I need it longer, I will also have this one here, but it's only black and white, not the same wire color as this one. Okay, so I twisted the wires together. I used an electric solder. This thing heats up pretty good. Just hold the button. I got myself some flux, help the solder flow. So I'm waiting for this thing to heat up while I hold the button. And then we're gonna do some soldering, and then yeah, that should be it. So let me solder those two wires together, and then I'll bring you back and show you what it looks like. And then I also slipped a heat shrink on there. So yeah, just waiting for this to heat up. Starting to heat up a bit. Close. All right, so both these wires are all soldered on. Oh no. Oh, okay. At the end of this heat shrink shrunk. But so I can slip them on, right? Now I can I should probably test fitted this connector. So it is the same wire, black and blue, with black and blue on there. So yeah, should be long enough. But if not, then I got another connector and I can redo this. So yeah, I'm gonna shrink down that heat shrink, and then yeah, plug everything back in, clean up all that rodent crap underneath, get a vacuum or something, and then yeah, that should be it. All right, that's shrunk down. Then time to put everything back. I'm gonna go grab the vacuum to suck out all those rat turds down there. Oh, that one's stuck. Yeah, that one's stuck. Stuck in between the bolts. Oh, it's got my glove. I think that's pretty good. All right, so I put all the wire harness back into the this little cover here. I also wrapped that wire with rat tape, right? That's what that, rodent with the X on its eyes are. Yeah, so that's it. It's also long enough, and it clicks in. Also, it's the correct wire color too, so that all works out. So anyways, I think that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know down in the comments how you get rid of or prevent rodents living in your engine compartment and chewing up your wires. I heard Irish Spring, but I've never actually tried it. Some people use the really high-pitched noise that they connect to their battery, so they don't like that. But I think the other tech, one of the techs, his mom's also has a Honda Fit. This also chewed the exact same wire up to there, and he had to fix it too. So the extra connector, I gave it to him just in case his mom's car gets chewed, because he said that yeah, it sits most of the time because he doesn't really drive it very much. So, but yeah, anyways, I guess that's it, and yeah, I'll see you next time. And sometimes you wonder, hey, why you think rodents are going into your car? Well, if you look, you got open chip bags in the back, also on the floor down there too. So maybe that's what is attracting the rodents.